Have you ever pondered the mystery behind the creation of websites? Ever been curious about the magic that turns simple text and images into interactive, engaging digital platforms? Today, we delve into the fascinating world of website creation, breaking it down into easy-to-understand steps. Imagine a website as a house. Just as a house needs a solid foundation, a website needs a strong base, and that's where HTML, or hypertext markup language, comes in. HTML provides the structure of the website. It's the bricks and mortar, the walls and the roof. But a house isn't just a box of bricks, is it? It needs color, style, and personality. That's where CSS, or cascading style sheets, comes into play. CSS is the interior designer of the web world. It sets the colors, the fonts, the layout. It gives the website its unique look and feel. So how does one go about building a website? First off, build the structure with HTML. Start with a basic HTML template. These templates include elements like headers, footers, navigation bars, and main content areas. Think of them as different rooms in a house. Next, add the content. This could be text, images, videos, or anything else you want your website to display. Just as you would fill a room with furniture and decorations, fill your HTML elements with content. Now that you have the structure and the content, it's time to add some style with CSS. CSS works by selecting HTML elements and applying styles to them. Want your headers to be a certain color, or your text to be a particular font? CSS makes it happen. Finally, test your website. Just as you would walk through a newly built house to ensure everything is in place, navigate through your website. Check that all the links work, the images display correctly, and the layout looks as you intended. To summarize, building a website is a process that involves structuring with HTML, adding content, styling with CSS, and testing the final product. It's a craft that combines logic and creativity, structure and style. Remember, every great website started from the same place, a blank page. So don't be daunted by the process. Take it step by step, and before you know it, you'll have built your very own corner of the web. So next time you click on a website and marvel at its design, remember the work that goes into it? And who knows, maybe you'll be inspired to create a masterpiece of your own. After all, in the world of web design, the only limit is your imagination. This has been a journey into the fundamentals of building a website. We've delved into the role of HTML and CSS and broken down the process into simple, manageable steps. It's a fascinating world, filled with endless possibilities. So why not dive in and start creating?